My name is Mr. Benavides, and today we're going to be practicing a little bit of breathing Pranayama yoga practice. We'll do a series of breathing techniques for you guys to get a little bit of knowledge on how we are actually benefiting our bodies through breathing. Now, the first attempts we're going to be doing are full inhales, holding for a while, and exhaling, trying to relax our minds through our breathing. Once we control the breathing, the whole body follows. Once you control the breathing, inhaling and exhaling, the mind follows and gets under control as well as the breathing. So after that, we'll be doing some alternative nostril breathings, which is a little bit more difficult. But first, we'll try to do the full length breathing. So what I want you to do is try to sit down comfortably in your bench, or you could try this at home, on the floor, against a wall. Always your back straight, always your head looking forward. Your hands can be on top of the table or on your knees, on your lap, and your palms can actually follow one of the mudras if you already know some of the positions that you can put your hands in for deeper meditation. In this case, we're not meditating, we're just breathing. So you can do the Jin mudra, which is the basic thumb and index finger close together, and you can just keep your back straight. So we're going to breathe in, keep your eyes open. So breathe in through your nose and exhale through your nose. Once more, breathe in through your nose. Hold and exhale through your nose. Third time, breathe in through your nose. Hold and exhale through your nose. Take a moment now and acknowledge how you feel. How's your mind? How's your thoughts? Are you focusing? You're not focusing? How's your breathing? Was it difficult? Was it easy? There is no wrong answer. It's all for you to know. Okay. Now I want you guys to practice another set of 3 breathings, full set breathings. And this time trying to count how much time you get to fill in, breathe in, and how much time you need to exhale out. So let's start again. Close your mudras, straight back, looking forward, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Excellent. Each time you'll notice that your count should be a little bit longer. So if the first time you did 3-4 counts, on the second and third and so on, you'll be doing 5 to 7 counts. Everybody is on their own time. There's no wrong way of doing this. Excellent. So talking about the alternative nostril breathing, this is a technique that actually helps us control our mind a little more. our anxiety, our stress levels. And it's about the pranayama, the taking of the body's energy that's around in our spine and in our limbs and our bodies, and taking it where we want it, which is to our brains. So in this technique, we actually close one of the nostrils so that we can control and balance this energy out. So what I want us to try right now is just 3 breaths, and we will be closing our right nostril, so we'll be breathing through our left nostril. Which hand do we use? Our right hand is always in our Jin Mudra, but our left hand is going to be on this mudra right over here. So we can actually close our nostrils with one and interchange as I will show you later. But right now we're going to do 3 full breaths only on one nostril, and we'll be closing our right. So inhale once fully, exhale through our nose again. Now we're going to close our right nostril, and we're going to breathe in 3 times. And exhale. Breathe in. And exhale. Breathe in. And exhale. Pretty good. Excellent. Okay. Remember, our posture should always be straight, not looking to one side or switching our necks or bending our necks. Always remember to keep your shoulder down and relaxed. Sometimes we might be doing this while we're doing this exercise, so keep conscious of where your shoulder is and bring it down to level if you feel it's out of place. Okay, now we're going to be doing 5 full breaths of each side in each nostril. So we will be breathing in once, exhale, and switching, inhale and exhale. You want to try it? Excellent. So do it with me. We're going to be doing 5. So first one, Jin Mudra. Inhale, exhale, switch. 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 Inhale, exhale. Relax for one moment. Notice your body, notice your mind. I hope you feel more comfortable, more at ease, and a little bit more ready to continue learning. See you next time.